guys!
His YouTube name is actually Robin Robin.
Hi guys, it's Robin here with another video.
You did not just see that photo.
It's with your boy Robin.
So guys, when you finish this video, go and check out the one on Robin's channel. I'll keep my English. So hard to find something who's not dead yet, right mate?
Yeah, well, I'm just searching around this. I just died. This guy just stabbed me with a cleaver.
Oh, I'm sorry, but I will not be here next weekend. I will not be here to make videos.
He's going to this place I cannot even get.
It's called Carrageenan, right?
Learn your words, mate. Learn your words.
Learn how to talk.
I gotta glaciate.
What? I'm happy I put that on video. Sorry you guys have limited vision, it's just I can't get the camera much bigger. Nate, my gun is spatting out. You have to watch the video on my channel. It is so funny. Tell me, what is life anymore?
Guys, if you didn't know Levi's channel, he is Agent Levi Gaming.
Go watch it. Oh wait, you're already watching.
Sorry about the beeping, guys.
Yes, I know. I will make welcome to Bloxburg soon.
We just played it.
We have a really cool cafe made up, but I really have to get some.
If I'm ever playing Bloxburg by myself, do not join me, people. Because I have no house in Bloxburg.
When it's all finished up, you guys will see the video on it.
Do not join me on Bloxburg if I'm playing by myself. I have no house.
Oh god, this.
Jesus, he killed me. This guy's got a scar.
What, are we playing Fortnite?
Maybe.
Okay guys, yes, I will make making videos to you.
We will make some Fortnite videos.
And live streams are coming soon to the channel.
Live streams will be coming in like 10 years probably. Live streams will be coming in 10 years. Ah! I just killed myself by jumping off an edge.
Live streams keeping up with this.
Also, how do you spell Carrageenan? Hey, Levi. Levi?
Just pause the chat, I'll be back. Bye.
So yeah, guys, he'll be back in a sec. But for now, it's just me and you. Guys, whoever's watching this. Goodbye, guys.